giving my baby medicine for the first time went down.
Like I said, mind your business. No one give a fucking fuck about your opinion. Do you understand?
You're so lucky. Now listen to me, you scumbag. I am going to press charges against you for battering and kidnapping.
You're just not serious, please.
Please, what's the truth? Please. Wait. Don't. Eh? This same man is the person that puts you in this condition, and you're telling me you don't want to